There's no doubt about it, the smoothie trend is here to stay. Many of my clients drink one every day, and some even prefer an icy blend to eating a solid meal. The only trouble is, there's no standard smoothie formula, so the nutritional quality of these drinks can vary wildly. If you're not careful, you could easily sip several spoonfuls of added sugar, or consume a day's worth of calories in a single serving. To make sure you're getting a good mix of healthy ingredients, stick with these road-approved orders at Jamba Juice, Robeks, and Planet Smoothie. And to healthy up your beverage even more, check out my recipes for versions you can whip up at home. I love that it's made with clean, simple ingredients, just fresh apple juice, pineapple, spinach, kale, chia seeds, and ice, with no added sugar. A 12-ounce serving contains 160 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 35 grams of carb, with 4 grams as fiber, and 3 grams of protein. To round out the macronutrient balance and bump up the fiber in this smoothie, blend a small whole core green apple with a half cup of frozen pineapple, a half cup each of fresh spinach and kale, a quarter of a ripe avocado, a tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 scoop of plant-based protein powder, I personally like naked pea vanilla, ice, and enough water to create your preferred consistency. To further boost the smoothie's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory power, toss in a 1-inch cube of fresh peeled ginger root. Yes, the numbers go up, but it's now a complete meal you can enjoy for breakfast, or as a post-workout recovery drink. New stats: 330 calories, 11 grams of fat, 44 grams of carb with 13 grams as fiber, and 5 grams of protein. If you're looking to fill a gap in your veggie intake, this smoothie can help. Made with fresh kale, fresh spinach, pineapple, banana, and apple juice, a small contains 180 calories, 0 grams of fat, 42 grams of carb with 3 grams as fiber, and 2 grams of protein. For a similar refreshing mix packed with veggies, blend together a half cup each of spinach and kale, a quarter cup each of peeled sliced cucumber and chopped green bell pepper, a half cup of sliced banana, a tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1/4 cup water, 3 fresh mint leaves, and a handful of ice. This lighter version provides 180 calories, 0.5 grams of fat, 39 grams of carb with 4 grams as fiber, and 3 grams of protein. Sometimes a decadent smoothie can satisfy your sweet tooth and keep you from ordering a milkshake, or devouring a pint of ice cream. Made with cocoa, bananas, vanilla, honey, and whey protein, a 16-ounce chocolate chip contains 200 calories, 5 grams of fat, 49 grams of carb with 4 grams as fiber, and 14 grams of protein. Try mixing 1 tablespoon raw cocoa powder, a half cup of sliced banana, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of honey, a half cup of plain grass-fed Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and a handful of ice. That healthy blend contains 275 calories, 13.5 grams of fat, 33 grams of carb with 5 grams as fiber, and 5 grams of protein.